Your most loved products of July. This handheld vacuum cleaner is not only compact, but specifically designed to remove hidden dust mites from your mattress. Not only is it easy to maneuver, but has a hidden high-temperature UV light that eliminates allergens and mites. You'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser where you can pour or spray for the perfect cooking every time. I am obsessed with these mesh organizer labeled bags. They come in multiple sizes and colors and are perfect for keeping track of vacuum and appliance parts, traveling with, storing important paperwork, and organizing just about anything in your home. This pressure steamer and many attachments is one of my favorite cleaning tools. Use it to blast hidden or stuck on gunk in seconds. It reaches every crack and crevice, and the best part, it sanitizes and cleans with just water. No harsh chemicals needed here. This mini handheld vacuum that comes with several attachments both sucks and blows because it can suck up crumbs and vacuum seal with one end and push out debris from tight spaces with the other, making it take the place of all those extra cleaning gadgets. Since this one does it all. See the caption for product links.